So if you want to see how this face. Hi everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezzie and I'm so happy that you found my channel, and if you like what you see, then I hope you can join me and my lovely subscribers and join our little corner we have going on over here. Also, if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then you can always press the notification bell button, which will notify you every single time I post a video. Today's video is about the brand called Alya Skin, and they have a Australian pink clay mask, and they actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a review on this mask, and I was like yes, because I love face masks. But they also gave me a 15% discount code for you guys to use. So it is KezziesCorner, and you just enter that at checkout and you will get 15% off your order. I will leave everything linked in the description box, their website where you can get this, etc. So be sure to check out the description. I would like to thank Alya Skin so much for this opportunity and also for giving me a discount code for you guys. If you want to see how this face mask tests out, then keep on watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the face mask comes in this cute little pink box. It is basically cruelty and vegan free, and it basically detoxifies and brightens your skin. It is safe for sensitive skin, and I have combination skin, so I have dry skin all over here, and then I get oily on my T-zone. It tightens your skin, your pores, so that's a good for me. That's a plus. It extracts pollutants and nasties from your skin, which is good, and assists in the removal of acne and pimples. So, with all this being said, this sounds like a good mask. I cannot wait to try it out. It is $29.99 for a single jar, but then you can also get a twin pack, which would be $44.99, and you can always use my 15% discount code to get it cheaper. There's free shipping worldwide, and yeah, also I don't get anything from the discount code, for you guys to know, so just so you know. Basically a discount code for you guys. So I'm just going to open the box. We have a little sticker which comes here and says, "Feet up, mask on, chill, you deserve gorgeous, vibrant looking skin." That's pretty cool. And this is the little jar that it comes in. So you get 120 grams. So I'm just going to tell you what we should be doing. So the process of applying it. So you have to spread mask evenly on your face. Obviously, make sure to cleanse your face before. I've already done that. After you apply it, you sit back and relax for 10 minutes. So you leave the mask on for 10 minutes. And then you remove the clay mask with a warm, wet towel. So you will see me do that. And then you can use a moisturizing cream after mask application. So are we ready to try this? I really love the packaging. It's so cute and would look nice in the bathroom.
I swear, it's so pretty, and it's pink as well.
Over here it says Alya Skin, as you can see. And I'm just going to open it for you guys. I'm just going to focus. So as you can see, when it opens up, it's just this like pink, creamy consistency over here. So it smells nice. It smells of a cream. Just saying. So I'm just going to show you my skin before I apply it, so then we can zoom into my skin again after I apply it. So yeah. So here is my skin before. As you can see, I have a lot of redness going on over here, a lot of spots. Some spots over here, and then some stuff going over there. A little gigantic spot coming over here, which I am not too happy about. But yeah, this is my skin before. So now I'm gonna start applying my face mask, and we will see how my skin is after. So we can make like comparison.
You've had enough of my skin, so I'm just going to zoom out now.
So I'm going to start applying my face mask. I like using this first. So I'm going to apply this with my with a brush, because I don't like applying it with my fingers. Ooh. Ooh, it has such a cooling effect.
Okay, my hair doesn't have to be like this.
It has such a nice cooling effect to it. So I'm just going to apply this mask, and I will be right back. It has such a lovely cooling effect. Oh, it's so relaxing, honestly. Oh, it smells so nice as well. I don't know what the smell is reminding me of, but I am loving it.
Few moments later.
So here is the mask on. I'm just going to leave this on for 10 minutes now. So yeah, I have my phone over here, so this will tell me when 10 minutes will be done. But basically, obviously, the clay mask usually dries up, so you will notice when you should actually take it off. But I just love this cooling effect that the mask has, and it just honestly offers such a nice relaxing feeling. So if you want like a pamper routine night, definitely try out this mask. But let's see how this tests out. And yeah, I'll be right back and I'll show you how the mask basically removes. But as you can see, the application was easy. I just used a brush.
So yeah, I'm loving this.
So I will be right back in 10 minutes. See you guys. Basically, I let the mask dry for 10 minutes, and as you can see, it is dry, and I'm feeling my face like over here, a little bit over here. It didn't dry yet, and I've kept it on for over 10 minutes actually. So I don't know, maybe I just applied a bit too much on the area, because that was the first area I applied, and I just did what was left on this that came with it. So be sure to maybe apply a thinner layer. But basically, I got my towel and I put warm water on it. So I'm just going to start taking it off. So you're going to see me take it off. It's a weird feeling. I don't usually take off masks like this, but I guess it's something new. I'm also looking ahead because I have my mirror behind you guys. So yeah.
One eternity later.
Okay, so my face is a little bit red, but obviously that happens when you're obviously rubbing the face cloth with your face basically. So I'm just going to remove here. So we're just going to basically zoom again into my face, and we're gonna basically see if we notice any differences. So basically at first I just noticed how soft and smooth my skin is. Yes, it is a bit red, but obviously, like I said, because of the face cloth, you're rubbing literally your skin with a face cloth, it kind of will get a bit red. The thing I noticed the most, I think, is definitely my skin feeling softer, smoother, brighter, cleaner. As for the pores, I mean, I don't see a difference. And I guess when it comes to seeing whether or not it will actually help your acne, you kind of cannot only just use it once. You kind of have to continue using this. But yeah, maybe I'll do a blog post about that after having used this for like a month or so. But I actually like how it made my skin feel and look. As you can see, the redness was already like decreased, but my skin feels so soft and so smooth. And it actually tells you also to apply some moisturizer after. So I just use my Vichy Normaderm. Isn't that the Normaderm? Yeah, the Normaderm skin correcting moisturizer thing. So just, oh my goodness, my skin feels so soft and so smooth. It's like it's been regenerated basically. I will definitely keep using this mask, and I will try to use it, I think, twice a week. That's how much you can use it, I think. I would say that's how much normally you would use a face mask. I will give this a thumbs up. I definitely like the feel of the skin, the feel of the face mask, and also I really liked how easy the application was to apply it and also to remove it. Using a moist, warm towel basically, is actually really good. I mean, yes, don't be frightened that, you know, don't be frightened if you see your face red as you saw mine, but as you can see, it already has gone down. So yeah, I will definitely be incorporating this in my skincare routine. So yeah, that was my review on the Alya Skin pink clay mask. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And again, I would like to thank Alya Skin for giving me this opportunity. And also I remind you guys that if you would like to purchase something off their website, then definitely, if you want, obviously, you can save up some money and you can use my 15% discount code. Again, I don't get anything from this. This is just a discount code for you guys from the brand. So thank you so very much, Alya Skin. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye!